Scientists have been training their attention on the developmental and evolutionary determinants of white stripes in clownfish. They now detail why, when, and how these bands arose and help elucidate their role in clownfish social organization. Coral reef fish are known for the wide range of colors and patterns they display, but the mechanisms governing the acquisition of these characteristics are still poorly understood. These researchers focused on clownfish, a group including 30-some species distinguished by numbers of white stripes 0 to 3 and by their colors, including yellow, orange, red, and black. The team first demonstrated that stripes are essential for individual fish to recognize others of their species. Such recognition is critical to the social organization of clownfish living among sea anemones where several species may be simultaneously present and young fish seek to establish permanent homes. The researchers then deciphered the sequences of stripe appearance and disappearance during the life of a clownfish. Stripes appear one at a time, starting near the head and progressing towards the tail, during the transition from the larval to the juvenile stage. The team further observed that some stripes are occasionally lost between the juvenile and adult stages, this time beginning at the tail end. In an attempt to understand the origin of these patterns, the scientists delved into the evolutionary history of clownfish. They discovered that their common ancestor sported 3 stripes. Just like today's clownfish, these ancestral stripes were made up of pigmented cells called iridophores containing reflective crystals. Over the course of evolutionary history, some species of clownfish gradually lost stripes, resulting in today's range of color patterns. The research team would like to follow up by identifying the genes that control the acquisition of white stripes for a greater understanding of how they evolved. This should clue them into the processes behind color diversification and the role color plays in the social organization of reef fish.